First of all, double click and select this image. Hit open. Now go to filter and choose camera raw filter. Here hit on masking button. Also hit on objects. Right click on add option and choose select objects. Increase the brush size. Now hold left mouse button and select the t-shirt like this. Release the left mouse button. Here camera raw filter analyzing the selection like this. Cool. Now the time to change the color of our t-shirt. We can also increase the t-shirt clarity. Now the time to see the final result.